Hey Jaguars, Miss Paraso here with your Webb Way Winners. But first, let me tell a dad joke. All right, why did Mars break up with Saturn? So sad, relationships just don't last. She needed some space. So your planet, space? Yeah, I hear you laughing. All right, so back to the Webb Way Winners. Our 6th grade Webb Way winner is Von Nielsen, nominated by Mrs. Medden. Miss Medden says, "Thank you for your help in class. Way to show citizenship." And our 7th grade winner is Sophia Zhang, nominated by Miss Allenson. Miss Allenson recognizes her for responsibility, working hard in math. Way to go, girl. And our 8th grade Webb Way winner, nominated by Mrs. Wood, is Veer Jain. He was nominated for respect, citizenship, and responsibility. Miss Wood says, "Thank you for being a good role model and problem solver." Way to go, Veer. Now, students, this month, be on the lookout for a reverse Webb Way card. They're going to be neon orange. What is the reverse Webb Way card? Well, I'm so glad you asked. It's your chance to nominate your teacher or staff member for a value word that we celebrate here at WebbRidge. So simply write your name, the staff member's name, teacher, admin, whoever. Circle the value word that you feel that they exhibit and a brief explanation as to why you are giving them that card. Then they get to put it in the box and have a raffle prize drawing of their own. So I can't wait to see you guys handing those cards out. And if you need more, just check in with your Compass teacher for more instructions. All right, on to this week's Webb Way Class of the Week. Our staff pick comes from Dr. Barquette, and he's nominating his 6th grade Compass class for the week of September 1st. His Compass class is very helpful all the time. I especially need their help on Monday mornings. Don't we all? And on Monday, August 16th, they did great. Bravo, Compass. That's Dr. Barquette's 6th grade Compass class. This week's student pick for Webb Way Class of the Week comes from Aditya. He nominated Miss Polifrone's 9th period 6th grade class. He says, "Enthusiasm is contagious. Miss Polifrone teaches in a way that seems like she's our friend and not our teacher, and that is the perfect way to close off the day." I completely agree with you, Aditya. That's awesome. All right, students, if you would like to nominate your class for the Class of the Week, don't forget to look for those QR codes around the building. And for our winners, don't forget, let me get out of the way. Boop, boop. For our winners, don't forget to stop by the office to spin the prize wheel and get your prize. And teachers, you can start parking in your parking spot Wednesday. Awesome job, guys. Way to go. Bye.